Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about the ultimate trend signals version 2 indicator for MT4. All right, it's quite an effective tool that provides buy and sell signals based on ADX and pivot levels. All right. So whether you are a beginner or an advanced trader, this indicator can help you navigate the Forex market with confidence. Okay. So let us get started. I'm going to be adding the indicator to the chart right away. Ultimate trend signals V2 indicator. All right, here we go. So now, as you can see, this indicator is actually designed to help simplify Forex trading by displaying buy and sell arrows, or would I call it dots now, not arrows, buy and sell dots based on market conditions. Now, these signals are generated using the average directional index, or the ADX, and pivot levels, ensuring that traders enter trades based on solid market trends. Okay, not only does this indicator give you entry signals, but it also provides valuable data on trend strength, trend direction, and trend recommendations. All right, so this means traders can make informed decisions without second guessing their trades. So what makes this indicator stand out? Here are its top features. The top features of this indicator. One is the buy and sell dots displayed right on your chart. When you have a blue dot below the candlesticks, it signifies a buy signal, right? It signifies a buy trade. Okay, while a red dot above the candlesticks signals a sell. So it's simple and easy to follow, right? Then talking about trend strength and direction, you can see this tab here. You can see that it has a couple of informations, right? It has informations about the 1 hour, the 30 minutes, the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes, and the 1 minute, right? So it's giving you information about the prevailing momentum, right? The prevailing trend across these time frames. You can see the H4 trend says sideways. The H1 trend says up, strong bullish. The 30 minutes is up, strong bullish. The 15 minutes up, strong bullish. 5 minutes up, weak, sideways. Then the 1 minute is up, weak. Okay, now the 1 minute has gone back to down, weak, sideways. All right, so it gives you information across different time frames. Okay, so that you're going to know if a trend is strong or weak, and that is a crucial information for timing your entries and exits. Now, with respect to trade recommendations, the indicator provides clear buy or sell suggestions, to remove any confusion. All right. And then talking about the pivot levels and the daily open price, you can see that the indicator provides information about the pivot and the daily open. Okay, so these key levels help traders to identify potential support and resistance zones. Okay, now let us quickly talk about how to trade using the ultimate trend signals V2. All right, for a buy trade, when a blue dot appears, it indicates a bullish trend. All right, you can enter a buy trade and set your stop loss below the previous swing low. All right, then the best take profit level could be at the opposite signal. So if you had entered a buy trade around here after you got your buy confirmation, you can set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and then your take profits can be at the sign of the sell signal, right? When you get a sell signal, from this red dot, that can be your cue to exit your buy trade. Okay, then concerning your sell, basically when you have a red dot appear above the candlestick, it signals a bearish trend, right? And then you can enter a sell trade, place your stop loss above the previous swing high, all right? And then your take profit level can be at the next opposite signal, which is going to be when the blue dot appears, all right? So traders can also use multiple time frames to analyze the trend strength. If the strength weakens in a lower time frame, for example, it could be a sign to prepare for an exit. All right. So you can also take advantage of the informations displayed across time frames for multi-time frame analysis. Right. You can you can do some multi-time frame analysis, taking advantage of this information right here. Okay. So the indicator is suitable for all traders. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced trader, this indicator has something to offer. All right. If you are a beginner, you can simply follow the buy and sell dots. You can simply follow the buy and sell dots to execute your trades. If you are an advanced trader, you can actually combine trend strength and direction with other technical indicators for a more in-depth strategy. All right. Additionally, this indicator works with automated trading software, meaning that traders can even automate their trades based on the signals provided. All right. So this is quite an effective indicator that you might want to consider adding to your trading toolkit. Okay. You might want to consider adding this to your trading toolkit. All right. Now, let's just briefly talk about risk management. Okay, whatever strategy that you were making use of, whatever strategy that you are, you were, whatever strategy that you were using for your trading, ensure that you always observe good risk management. Okay, do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose, and ensure that you always use good risk to reward ratios. Okay, for example, if you are risking 10 pips, then you should be looking towards a take profit of at least 20 pips. All right, so it's actually good to be looking towards making times two of whatever you are risking, but ensure that your take profit target falls within an acceptable zone. Okay, set realistic targets. For example, if you are going to be entering a sell trade right now, and your stop loss level is, let's say, above this or above this high, then your take profit target should be a really realistic target. Do not set your take profit beyond the support. All right. If you want to set your take profit, you can just set your take profit at the nearest support zone. But then you do your calculations and ensure that the support zone where you're setting your take profit is going to be, giving you at least times two of where your stop loss is, right? For example, here we are risking about 50 pips. Our take profit is about 100 pips. So this is a good one, right? But in a situation whereby maybe your take profit is times two, is giving you somewhere far, in a situation whereby times two of your stop loss is giving you somewhere beyond the support for a sell or somewhere beyond the resistance for a buy, then you might want to just stay out of that trade, okay? Because you ought to set realistic targets, okay? I hope I'm making sense. Now, the ultimate trend signals V2 indicator is quite an effective tool for traders who want clear signals without overcomplicating their strategy. So if you are looking for an easy way to spot market trends, this indicator is definitely worth checking out. All right. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Forex trading content. Okay. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading. I'll catch you in the next one.